स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे यूनिट 6 के वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। नेम द टाइप ऑफ मिरर विच हैज फोकल लेंथ इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी। ये मिरर कौन सा है बेटा? दैट इज प्लेन मिरर। प्लेन मिरर के लिए क्या होती है? प्लेन मिरर के लिए होती है बेटे फोकल लेंथ इन्फिनिटी होती है और रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर भी क्या होती है? इन्फिनिटी। सॉल्यूशन 2। Which mirror is used as a driver mirror? Convex mirror. Convex mirror always form virtual, erect and diminished image. It's a wide area that it cover from the back side. Which one mirror? Convex mirror. Next. Which of the following does not change during the refraction of light? Wavelength, frequency, velocity. That is frequency. Frequency of light does not change. Other physical quantities are changed. Next question, what is the basic cause of the refraction of light? The basic cause of refraction of light, because the optical density of two medias are different. So speed in different medias are different. So what is the basic thing? Speed. Speed is different in different media. Speed is different. Can absolute refractive index of any material be less than 1? Why? Sir, absolute refractive index is the ratio of the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. For any medium, V is less than C. So mu is greater than 1 or equal to 1 when V equal to or less than. So refractive index cannot be less than 1 for an absolute medium. State the condition for phenomena of TIR to be occur. What is TIR? The bouncing back of light when it's falling on the interface of the two medias, that is called TIR. See it here. यहाँ पे एयर है, यहाँ पे वाटर है, लाइट रे आई और वापस आ गई, राइट? तो what is the condition? First condition, the light ray must passes from denser to rare medium. First क्या है? Denser to rare, rarer medium. Second thing, the angle of incidence should be greater than the critical angle in the denser medium. What is the least distance of distinct? Question number 7. What is the deviation produced by a small angled prism to the incident light? This formula is valid for only small angled prism. Delta is equal to mu minus 1a. Mu is the refractive index, a is the angle of prism, and delta is the angle of deviation. What is question 8? What is the least distance of the distinct vision? That is 25 centimeter. Least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeter. What is the shape of the wavefront emitted by a light source in the form of narrow slit? When the light passes through a narrow slit, the wavefront form is cylindrical, like this here. The next is, what is the phase difference between 2 points on a wavefront? Well, from the definition of wavefront, the locus of all the particles vibrating in the same phase. When there is no phase difference, it means there is no phase difference. Phase difference is 0. Next, what are the essential conditions for diffraction of light? Diffraction of light occurs when light suffers deviation in the path when falling on the sharp edge. It means the size of the obstruction should be order of the wavelength of light used. The size of obstruction should be order of the wavelength of light used. Next, state the condition for that must be satisfied to light sources to be coherent. The light sources should be coherent, first point. When two sources emit light of the same wavelength continuously. And second point, there is no phase difference or a constant phase difference between two light. First thing, the light must be emitted by two sources of same wavelength continuously. Second thing, there is no phase difference or a constant phase difference is there. Question 13. Name the lens which always form virtual erect and diminished image, and that lens is concave lens. Concave lens always formed virtual erect and diminished image. बच्चों हम आपको इसी तरह आपकी बोर्ड की प्रिपरेशन के लिए वीडियो अवेलेबल कराते रहेंगे. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.